If you've been watching my thrift hauls and wondering, could I actually make money selling clothes too? The answer is yes. And today I'm going to show you just how easy it is to list your first item on Depop. Whether you are cleaning out your closet or you just started thrifting for resale, this might be the easiest listing you'll ever create. Welcome to Thrifting Atlanta, where we thrift first, spend less, and live more. I am Corinne, and I take you along every week with me when I go thrifting all over Atlanta for amazing vintage and designer finds for my online boutique, and also when I sell on Facebook Live. I even share some style inspiration, especially if you are a woman over 40. And of course, I do share how you too can resell fashion to make some extra income. So if this is your vibe, you are in the right place. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you turn on your bell notifications so you know when I go live or when I upload a new video. So in today's video, I will show you how easy it is to list an item on Depop, which is a selling platform that I use to sell my thrifted finds. If I can use Depop, you can use Depop too. It is not just for full-time resellers like myself, but it could be for you if you are just getting into reselling, or maybe you have some pieces in your closet that you no longer wear and you want to make some extra cash. Depop is a great tool to help you to sell your items. And the listings are a breeze. You can list an item under 15 seconds. And I'm going to show you how easy it is. I'm going to list this vintage blouse. You can click on the standard list, and then you will click on camera. Then it opens up your camera, and there's the item, right? I like to hang my items on the door. Makes it nice and easy to take my pictures. And what I love about Depop is that no matter where I'm taking my pictures, that background can be changed in a blink. So I take all of my photos. I like to get a close-up of the actual print. I also like to get a picture of the tag with the brand name and the size. That way the customer knows what they're getting. And then I also like to take a photo of the back of the item. So that way they get a front picture, they get a close-up picture, they get a picture of the tag, and now they also get a picture of the back. Now that background, I am not concerned because Depop has a feature called background remover. By just a click of a button, that background can be changed. I like to put all my background in white, so it looks very professional, like I did a full-fledged photo shoot. And Depop makes it very, very easy to achieve that look. So once I removed all my backgrounds, I like how my pictures look, then I can look at the description. AI has already generated a description for me. I just like adding the brand of the item and along with the size. So I have Jordan Vintage. It has a description of the item. I'll just go down towards the end and I'll add the size of the item. And then I give my recommendation on how it best fits. And this particular blouse, even though it says a large, it will best fit like a size small to medium. And that's generally a rule of thumb for vintage pieces. They tend to run a size smaller than the listed size. I'm going to change that size medium to a size small because that's what it would best fit. So again, everything is right there, very easy. And I'm going to price it at $20 because that is a very fair price for this vintage blouse. Once I put everything in, I can just click on publish, and voila, my item has been listed on Depop. I always like to just take a quick look over, make sure it has everything that I want, and there is my listing. Very simple. So again, if I can do this, you can do this too. Now let me know in the comments if you thought that was super duper easy and if you think you can do it too. So this is my challenge. Download the Depop app, list one item from your closet. No, make it 5. List 5 items. It's going to take you less than 30 minutes. List 5 items on your Depop store. And then come back to this video and let me know how easy it was and when your items sold. Let's do this journey together. Okay, I'm so excited. Let me know in the comments. I'll put my information. You can follow my closet. It's called Corinne's Vintage Closet. So follow my closet. I will follow your closets, and we will be on this journey together. So thank you for watching the video. Again, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.